Hey there, guess where we are? We're at BERNINA of Naperville, 2764 Suite 100 on Aurora Avenue. And my name is Gail and I'm one of the owners of this store. And I just wanted to introduce us to you and just have you have a look at our store. Now, everything in here is available online as well. You can visit us at www.berninaofnaperville.com. But as you can see, the first thing you see when you walk in is Brett. He is a member of #TulaTroops and he wants you to see the new Tula Pink Handmade collection. Then as we look through, we've got our wall of art gallery pure solids. And then this is a kind of a hybrid of Mary Poppins and a lady from the Fin de Seal. But then we do have like a little vintage sewing machine rally going on. So you'll see some old Berninas, some old singers. This Dresden plate block is a class that we have coming up, and you can make that from an easy little jelly roll project. We also have an embroidered frames class. This is going to be one of our Sunday morning socials. So you can see we have a lot of merchandise that we are happy to answer your calls and pack it that way. We can do curbside pickup or bring the merchandise to your car. We have thread. We have even Harry Potter packs, and there's even more of these coming because we have all of the Wizard School fabrics and go-withs. We've got Children's Palace patterns. We do have the Laura Star ironing systems, more thread, glow-in-the-dark, Eloflex. We've got some other kinds of irons. We've got charm packs. We have embroidery designs of all kind. If you want to visit us here, we do have our book garden where you can bring a book and take a book. Maybe you want to sit down on a tuffet. Maybe you're looking to adopt a poor little machine from our adoption shelter. Or pick up some books. Or a kit for a quilt. Garment patterns, spring is coming. You might want to make something new. This blouse is a class coming up. It's made out of beautiful rayon from Art Gallery fabric. We just have a lot of things to offer. Of course, if you go to BERNINAofNaperville.com and search our product line, you'll see our things. This dress is really nice. It's made from cotton lawn from Kaufman. That collection's called London Calling. We have Aurifil and Metler thread. We have additional Tula fabric here. Battings on the roll. And then of course we have Berninas. I mean, we have a lot of Berninas. We have the long arm machines, waxed canvas, more stuff. And then this is where our classroom is. You can see it's rather spacious. And we also do our live streaming classes here. So please come down, come see us, give us a call, check us out, and we're very excited to meet you. Thanks.
I'm writing these down.
All right, I'm doing something that makes me feel very uncomfortable, but I'm getting fed information from my young staff to say exactly the right things. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the BERNINA of Naperville channel, and ring your bell. No, hit that bell, hit the bell down below the screen. Apparently that means that you like it, right?
No,
that
means that it will notify you when there's
new
videos.
It's going to notify you when there's new videos. Oh God, I'm so sorry. We will get better at this.